My name is Alejandro, and I want to show you Elviria Beach in July 2026. First we start with Merendero Cristina, a true Marbella classic with over 4 decades of history, famous for its traditional espetos, fresh seafood, paellas, and authentic Andalusian beachfront atmosphere. Carlos y Paula by Carissa, a family-run beachfront restaurant known for its Mediterranean cuisine and fresh local fish. Its relaxed setting makes it a perfect place to enjoy a lunch by the sea. Just a few steps on the right-hand side, we will find Nikki Beach, one of Marbella's most iconic beach clubs. Renew it for its international cuisine, Balinese beds, signature cocktails, live DJs, and an exclusive beachfront atmosphere. A lot of parties and events are running here. Tony's Beach Restaurant, a destination for premium Mediterranean dining by the sea, known for grilled fish, seafood, traditional rice dishes, and exceptional quality ingredients. Convenient with a plenty parking place is Chiringuito El Laurel, a local favorite in Elviria, celebrated for its authentic wood-fired espetos, fresh seafood, Mediterranean flavors, and traditional rice dishes define its menu. We continue walking to the beach. We find very nice chiringuito, as well very famous, with a lot of fixed clients. It's called Perla Blanca. Relaxed beachfront restaurant specializing in Mediterranean cuisine, fresh seafood, grilled fish, and rice dishes, all served in a peaceful seaside setting. You see, in quite all the beach restaurants in Elviria, you can find sunbeds, umbrellas, clean beaches, and parking places. You just have to choose what is your favorite one. We continue our route through the beach. We're gonna find the Beach House, one of Marbella's most elegant beachfront restaurants. It combines refined Mediterranean cuisine, live music, and stunning sea views in a sophisticated atmosphere. There are some rooms as well you can rent. It's like a small hotel. Just check it out. Now we come to the place that I think is like the center of the beach in Elviria. We're gonna start with the chiringuito called Lido Beach, recently refurbished, modern beach club offering Mediterranean cuisine, refreshing cocktails. Next to it we have Amo Beach Club. It's part of the Grand Resort Marbella Hotel. Here you will have Balinese beds, infinity pool, massage, spa, gym, and luxury rooms. And of course La Plage de Casanis, a chic French-inspired beach club with Mediterranean charm, well known for its high-quality cuisine, creative cocktails, and relaxed atmosphere that comes alive at sunset. This is not only relaxed, here's a lot of party going on, especially on Sundays, and in the summer they have very good DJs coming. You can see the advertises already in the airport when you arrive. We continue. Here you can see the future resort El Fuerte in Las Dunas. Many millions invested here. El Fuerte gonna build a resort for 70 years because they have only the concession for 70 years from the town hall. And Dunas Hotel will be built forever. Now we come to Sylt, Chiringuito Sylt. The Germans know what is called Sylt. Is the only island, well, one of the islands Germany has, and a contemporary beach club featuring Balinese beds, Mediterranean cuisine, and signature cocktails. Another one is Sabine Beach, a contemporary beach club. Sirocco Marbella. It's the next one we're gonna see now. A welcoming beachfront restaurant where Mediterranean flavors and fresh local ingredients take center stage. Complemented by friendly service, nice cocktails are here served as well in nice glasses, funny glasses. You will check it out. And now we come for the future hotel IKOS, which is already start to building. The foundations are ready. The land is already clean, as you see. Here was an old hotel that threw it away already. And yeah, you're gonna see it's a dream. It's a beachfront masterpiece. They are building a lot here in Marbella East, as you see. So the prices only can increase. Now we come for a traditional local chiringuito where you can find good black rices, small tuna burgers. It's always full, so you have to reserve before better. And it's a nice atmosphere, more Spanish and more local, I will say. Just on the side we have Ristorante da Sergio, an Italian beachfront restaurant, famous for its homemade pasta, authentic pizzas, fresh seafood of course, and beautiful city. Chiringuito Pez Lola, a relaxed beachfront favorite known for its fresh seafood, grilled fish, traditional espetos, and an excellent rice dishes. Of course, in all the chiringuitos you're gonna find this. Luma Beach, an elegant beach club blending Mediterranean and international cuisine, popular for its stylish design, sophisticated atmosphere, and premium cocktails. Copacabana, one of Marbella's classic beachfront restaurants, renowned for its fresh seafood, grilled fish, and traditional rice dishes. An unbeatable location by the sea, Bona Beach, one of Marbella's most distinctive beach clubs. It offers Mediterranean cuisine, a laid-back atmosphere, great music, and spectacular views across the bay. You can see advertises in Marbella about Bona Beach and Dune as well, very famous Dune Beach, Marbella. It's a new one, opened, very high quality, a sophisticated beach club where Mediterranean cuisine and handcrafted cocktails are mixed with a sophisticated new chiringuito. And just on the side we can find Restaurante Las Flores, recently renovated as well, traditional and Andalusian restaurant. They have homemade cuisine, fresh seafood, grilled food, classic rice, loved by both local and visitors. If you like this video, please subscribe. We're going to finish with Unique. It's an example how Marbella East is growing. It's an ultra-modern beachfront complex with duplex penthouse and duplex ground floors with private pool. As you see, it's all sold. So to buy or sell, better contact the local experts. I'm Alejandro, I own a favorite home, and I would love to help you finding your home.